And you're very welcome to the House, Minister. At the outset, I want to express my empathy and heartfelt compassion for any mother or child that suffered in any institution. I say that not only as a senator, but also as a mother and a foster parent. I want to put on the record of the House that I appreciate the important work of the Commission in investigating the matters within their terms of reference and drafting a final report with their findings of fact. The records and reports of the Commission will, I expect, be an extremely valuable resource. I am sure all members of the House can agree on these 3 points. I am sure that all members can also agree with the principle that if someone says something to them in confidence and an assurance of confidentiality is given to that person, then it should be honoured. I am sure we can all agree that is honourable and the decent thing to do. The amendments proposed by Senators McDougall and Boyhan honour and give effect to legal commitments of confidentiality given to people and also are in harmony with the existing legislative framework of data protection and associated fundamental rights and freedoms. If we look at the statutory instrument that established the Commission, it clearly states the Commission shall not seek to provide an account of any individual case in such manner as to intervene in any effort by any individual to resolve their identity or trace a birth relative. The statutory instrument also states as follows: the Confidential Committee shall provide in its procedures for individuals who wish to have their identity remain confidential during the conduct of the Commission and its subsequent reporting. Of course, I have sympathy for all those seeking to trace a birth relative or to resolve their identity, and I understand legislation is going to be introduced by the Minister to address this in the future. I also think that we should honour the commitment of confidentiality enshrined in law given to witnesses that gave testimony and helped the Commission. It would be a betrayal of these people and these women and these mothers who assisted the Commission on that basis to renege on that. The amendment proposed to Section 2 of the bill by Senators McDougall and Boyhan is necessary to ensure they are protected. We cannot, in conscience, permit records created by the Confidential Committee to be deposited with TUSLA in an unredacted format without the explicit prior informed consent of the person that gave that evidence. The deletion of Section 5 of the bill and the replacement of it with the amended Section 5 drafted by Senators Boyhan and McDowell is also necessary to give full effect to the legal guarantee of confidentiality given to people participating in the work of the Confidential Committee. The Commission should have the power set out in this new Section 5 to redact personal data of those people who gave evidence in confidence. Finally, I think it is in the best interest of the Commission and all those involved in the work to defer dissolution until the 30th of November 2020. I think we can all agree that the administrative work of the Commission is too important to be rushed. For this reason, I support the amendment to Section 6 of the bill put forward by Senator McDougall and Boyhan. I respectfully ask my colleagues in this House and to consider supporting these amendments number 2, 7, 21 and 23 on the numbered list, which honour commitments of confidentiality that were part of the legal foundation of the Commission in the first place. Thank you.